Uses of lemon peel. Don't throw away lemon peels and do these tricks instead. Lemon is one of the most popular citrus fruits that are commonly used in several dishes, beverages, and even pastries. And most often the juice and pulp are what we need. But you may be surprised to know that those lemon peels that you're about to throw can be used in a variety of ways too. Remember these tips that we're going to teach you so that the next time you have a handful of lemon peels, you'll know how to reuse them both in and out of the kitchen. Let's get started. For the body, lemon peels are very versatile, and one of the benefits they provide is in cosmetics. Make a body scrub by mixing some finely chopped lemon peels, olive oil, and half a cup of sugar. Use this once or twice a week to exfoliate and moisturize your skin. For the scalp, suffering from dandruff and flaky scalp? Simply rub some lemon peels on your scalp and repeat this a few times a week to get rid of your dandruff. For hands, we're all too familiar with the pungent smell that garlic and onion leave on our hands after using them. Lemon makes a great natural deodorizer, so the next time you're faced with this dilemma, just rub some lemon rides thoroughly all over your hands to remove the lingering odor. Laundry. Excessive sweating causes stains on clothes, especially on the armpit area, and these stains are hard to remove, especially on white clothes that have turned yellowish. Lemon peels make a great DIY stain remover. Simply rub some lemon peel on the affected areas, and for particularly stubborn stains, put some baking soda, soak the clothes overnight, and then wash as usual. Cleaning the house. Lemon peel has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which makes it an excellent ingredient for a DIY cleaning solution. Fill up a jar with lemon peels and white vinegar, cover and set aside. After a couple of weeks, separate the peels from the liquid. Fill up half a spray bottle with water and the other half with a recovered liquid from the lemon vinegar mixture. Shake it well, and you now have a homemade natural cleaning solution that you can use around your home. Before we proceed with our list, if you're finding it helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you'll always catch our new videos. Cutting boards. Cutting boards need to be cleaned thoroughly because they can be the breeding grounds of many disease-causing bacteria and other harmful substances. Sprinkle some hard-grained salt on your cutting board, and using a lemon peel, thoroughly rub the salt onto the surface. Rinse and then dry. Mugs and kettles. Aside from the cutting board, lemon peels can also be used to clean mugs and pots that are covered with stubborn stains. Fill the mug or kettle with water and add some lemon peels. Place it over heat for a few minutes so that the acid in the peels can melt the stains away. Microwave and stovetop. Used lemon halves can be the perfect DIY disinfectant for microwave and stovetop surfaces. First, microwave them for 20 seconds and then rub the peels directly onto the surfaces. Finally, wipe off with a wet dishcloth. Pests. If pesky pests like ants, fleas, and cockroaches are a problem in your home, then you need to try this out. Spray some lemon juice onto the areas where these pests hide or enter your home. Or if you're worried that the lemon juice might damage your walls, you may also place some lemon peels directly onto the areas to repel the pests. Recipes. Freezing lemon peels for later use is a great way to reduce waste. Think about the times when you needed lemon zest for a recipe and having to buy a whole lemon for it. So instead of throwing them straight into the trash, store them in a Ziploc bag and keep them in the freezer. Now you can just grab some whenever you need it. And those are the 10 ways you can use lemon peels instead of throwing them away. We hope you enjoyed today's video. To discover more homemade DIYs, check out the other videos on our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.